PALI stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is Palisade Bio stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. Now, I am the only person in the stock trading space that has actually done 43,000 videos over 5 years. I've documented everything, showed you what's working, what's not, what's actually printing money. First glance, I mean, technically it's all just a big old bearish bias. Like, it's just that the likelihood the price gives me some sort of like a double break here. It's high, but what I'm not going to do is just randomly start selling here, you know what I mean? So, just like that. It's my normal part. All I'm doing here in the meantime is obviously just waiting for rules to be met. And if it's not met, then I don't quite care. Very simple. And I believe I have previous receipts. They do not show. For me to be bullish, I must see a break above 110. And if there's a double break, I'm looking to take it down. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not going to assume, I'll just more so react. See you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy. There's free sauce. First link in the description. Goodbye.